What's going on, people? This is Brandon with Brandon Reviews, and I'm here for another unboxing of Menlo House clothing subscription service. And this is the package for May. I've been a little bit behind lately, so you're gonna get some videos back to back, or you already gotten one before this one. And I just want to talk about Menlo House and Menlo Club, or Menlo Club, I guess. They've been around for a while now, and I've been with them for quite a bit. I can definitely say that I have mixed feelings about some of my packages. The last one was good, but whenever it's not, it's just like, it's really not good. And like, I just want to make a stank face, and I don't like making a stank face. But you know, overall, they're a quality clothing company. And some of the things that I guess that aren't right is just the fact that they have like 4 brands underneath their umbrella. And Melrose Place has been cool, but 5-4 is really like their anchor. All the other stuff hasn't really done anything for me. Anytime they've sent it to me, it's been fairly disappointing. But you know, enough of the complaining. Let's just get into it. Let's see what we got here. And this is a bigger box, so I'm assuming that I have some shoes that I will never wear, because all of the shoes that they've given me have been kind of bad. Just not shoes that I would ever actually want to wear for any reason. And boom, we have it again. Another slam dunk for them. Yeah, these don't do anything for me. So these are just some like little slide on loafers, whatever you want to call them. Something that I'm not a fan of. Something. So I don't know. We're gonna see about that. And let's see, hopefully the rest of this is gonna be worthwhile to salvage this package. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay. 19 years. Well, they used to have a store in the mall close to where I live at. It's the Culver City Mall. Okay, so here are a pair of socks to go with these ugly shoes. Oh, they even gave me a brush and some cleaning stuff for the ugly shoes. Yay! Cool stuff for the ugly shoes. All right, people, I want to make sure that you guys like and subscribe so you guys can see whenever I'm putting out a new video. Okay, so this is a shirt to, I guess, go with the shoes. I just got 2 shirts exactly like this in the last month's package, so it's just something to add to it. I just want to say I will try this stuff on and let you see it, and I will probably just add it in with something like, yeah, I'm not impressed with this package though. So, all right, catch you in a minute. If you've been curious about Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, or other stocks and cryptocurrencies, you've got to jump on it right now. I use Robinhood for most of my stock and crypto transactions, then Crypto.com for all of my other crypto needs. I've made thousands of dollars just by investing a few $100s. You can do the same today. Just follow the links in the description and watch your money grow. You won't regret it. Okay, so we back with the May Menlo House fit. This is the shirt and the shoes, and this is the shorts from April. And I mean, it's not bad, it's just, I'm just not a fan of their shoes. And I guess they thought they were doing something by giving me the brush and the socks, but I don't know. Just not a fan of their shoes, that's all. But here you go, shirt. It's cool, nothing wrong about it. Can't really say anything negative, but you know, with these shorts, it just works. Here you go. All of my digital and creative assets, I use Envato Elements to find stock photos, music tracks, web templates, graphic and video templates for all of my various projects. Check it out and take your creativity to the next level. And depending on the project, when I need high quality music tracks for video and audio clients, I always turn to Soundstripe. They have over 100,000 music, video, and special effects tracks to choose from that will take your creative projects to the next level. Sign up today and I promise you'll thank me later. The link will be in the description for both.